I assume that you are here because you just typed in, I want to start my own business from home. I have actually started a number of businesses from home over the years, also before the internet was here. But thanks to the internet, it has become so much easier to start your own business from home. So what would I do if I was to start a new business from home today? The first thing I would do was to investigate. What is the new trend? What will the trend of the future be? Because it is important to be in front of the trend, to be in front of the money, not be on the back of the money. So I could talk a lot about this, but what I'll do, I'll give you access to an ebook that will cover most of your questions and also some suggestions on how to be in front of the trend. Click the big button below that will give you free access to the ebook. Whatever you decide, have fun doing it.